from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a Ducati 848 Evo, finished off in the pearlescent satin white. It is gorgeous. Lovely bike. We've sold this previously and we're glad to sell it again. This one is a 2012 and a 12 plate. Mega bikes these. Come with great stuff. You got the Brembos on there. You got the Ohlins rear shock. Yeah, gorgeous, stunning bikes. Load dripping in carbon is this. You got the infills, you got the sides, the protectors on the back, and also the Termignoni exhaust, so it sounds as well as it looks. Like I say, fantastic bikes. You got the race details on the front as well. It's done 11,396 miles, so the screen itself gives you all the information if you are on track or road. Looking at the seat, it looks aftermarket. It looks gorgeous, it looks comfy, especially for one of these. It's definitely a bit more comfort than you'd normally get in one of them. Right, left hand side, look at how clean it is on this side as well. You can look at that rear sprocket carrier, look how clean that is. It has really been looked after by the previous owner. Stunning bike, gorgeous. Anyway, it is a Ducati, so it'll sound mega, and with them termies on there, yeah, it's a beast. Here we go. Big V-twin noise there, stunning to look at, sounds mega. Anyway guys, you've seen this absolute beauty. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes or simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.